Here, hold the camera right there and just read what that says. We're getting Turdzilla back. What the hell we're gonna do with it? I have no fucking idea. We gotta see what condition it's in. It's been sitting forever. I got a little bit extra wrap. You can always order some more, but you know, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're going to get it tomorrow. But there she is, man.
I just wish I got to her, you know, a lot sooner, but got the Texid lock in there. Everything else is still here. Need your K member and then accessories.
Fresh from Brent Speed. The boys over at Brent Speed, we got talking, we were trying to figure out what engine are we gonna do for this thing. The 3-valve gets a ton of hate, and the reason why we're doing it in Turdzilla is I didn't want to do a 2-valve again. I didn't want to do a 4-valve again. NA 4-valve or boosted 4-valve, it just did not interest me because I've been there, done that. I want to do something different. And this right here is actually a pretty cool swap. So we have a set of Brent Speed cams in here. We got lockouts, cams, and this thing should be ready to drop in, fire up. It's actually kind of fast. $360. All right, guys, checking out the DD EFI cluster for the first time. Looking pretty sweet. Okay, so somehow there is a front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and side scoops in this box. Okie dokie. This is a front bumper. I guess we'll report back if it starts to look like the front bumper that I ordered. We got Brian and Brian. They're gonna be swapping out the windshield. Here still needs some work. Again, the door is swapped. Door without dents. Fender without dents. 6.5 out of 10, right?
Yeah.
And we're not a full 7. Nope. 6.5 out of 10. That's what we're going for. All right. Well, if you come over to this side, she's pretty well stripped, guys. Getting crazy. Here is Turdzilla. It is multicolored. We're actually gonna head over to Jordan's and drop this off to get wrapped. He's gonna be wrapping it. It's not in the final fitment stage, but at least we get all the panels wrapped. When we take everything back off to finish up the Celine grills, the side scoops, everything else, it'll all be one color, wrapped, already ready to rock.
All right, we made 363 wheel horsepower, 347 pound-feet of torque, and thing's a lot happier now. But of course, it ain't enough. So stay tuned for that when we turbo Turdzilla.
All right, so obviously we got a lot of things to fix in the car, but why not turbocharge it? So in front of me, we have a brand new On3 single turbo kit for a 2-valve. Obviously, we got a lot of things we got to fix on this car, mechanically, suspension, cosmetically, but why not just go ahead and turbocharge it, because we had problems. The idea here is that we're going to use basically the same way we use 2-valve long tubes with the adapter flanges. We're going to use that with these 2-valve manifolds, and in theory, everything should still fit. Looking pretty good. There's some areas that we kind of just let the can do its thing. I'd say that so far, I think it's looking pretty good. Turbo gonna sit somewhere around there. I think it's ready to start. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of things that we forgot. There's still some more parts on the way. A few things like the IAC is still not how I want it, but don't judge. I don't know if you guys ever thought you'd see the day, but it is boosted. Hopefully next time you guys see this car is gonna be on the dyno. And we're gonna see if we can make 5-something wheel. Our limit on horsepower is gonna be how much torque it makes. So we're gonna watch the timing down low, watch the boost, not get too high, and just make ourselves a fun little cruiser.
First ever boosted Turdzilla pool. That little guy right there. You'll see we just made 442 wheel horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque.
Take a guess. Did it break 5?
494.
Oh my God. 494?
494, 474 pound-feet torque.
Oh, we're cooking on that.
First off, I just want to tell you that the graph is way smoother, and I set the boost controller. No, hold on. I set the boost controller to 32. Because I thought 30. I'm like, yeah. So we saw 12 pounds of boost.
All right.
5.
Oh no.
09.
Okay.
498 torque.